morning friends, I am Pulkit and today I am discussing about polynomial. It is second chapter of mathematics and it is the variable based on language of mathematics. For example, 4x cube minus 3x plus 4y. This can also be said as a sentence of mathematics like English. And minus, or if we take plus x, these symbols are performing the place of space and these terms are as words. In mathematics, there are major three parts of a term or word. For example, if we take as 4x cube, 4x and the power 3 are of three different parts. 4 is coefficient, x is variable, and the power 3 is the exponent. And there are some conditions. It can be any number. The coefficient can be any real number. It could be rational number, integer, positive number, negative number. And x variable. X variable can be, have no limit. It can be x, y, z, or there is no limit of variables. But if we talk about exponent, there are some problems that exponent can only be a whole number. It cannot be in negative, it cannot be fractional, it cannot be an integer. And if this is 0, then the term will be constant. For example, any number raised to power 0 is equal to 1, where x is not equal to 0. And these polynomials can also be expressed by that example. Well, if we take a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So how could we represent it as a diagram? Yes, this is a plus b whole square. We take a side a, then add b to it. It's b. Now we have to make a square, this, and this. So this side will also be a plus b. And now think in diagram. This side is equal to b, this is equal to b, this is equal to a, b, b. Now the areas will be a into a square. It would be b square. And this rectangle ab, Now what is this? A square, b square, and ab plus ab is equal to 2ab. A square plus 2ab plus b square. This is how we can represent any polynomial in terms. Terms are the parts of these polynomials. For example, if we take 4x cube, the example that we took in the beginning, 3x square plus 4y or that one. Then these are spaces, these are words, and these words are terms. These triple, these third are terms. And if in any polynomial there is only a one term, then it would be monomial. If there are two terms in any polynomial, it would be binomial. If there are more than two, like three terms in any polynomial, then it would be trinomial. Now we talked about terms and about degrees. Degree is the highest exponent. In any polynomial. For example, 6x cube y 2x. In this 3 is the degree of this polynomial, because 3 is the highest exponent from 2 and it will be 1. So this is the degree. And if the 1 is the highest degree of any polynomial, it would be said as linear. If there are two, if 2 is the highest power or degree in any polynomial, it would be quadratic. And if 3 is the highest power in x, is the highest power or degree of any polynomial, it would be said as cubic polynomial, cubic degree. And we didn't take 0 yet. If 0 is the highest power in any polynomial, it would be constant. Constant because we know that any number raised to power 0 is equal to 1, and 1 is a constant. Now we would take some questions that that can come out of from this. Like 4x cube plus 3y plus 9x plus 4. If anyone says to find its degree, we can simply say that 3. 3 is the highest exponent in these. Beyond this is 1, this is 1. If you take it 2 or the 3 is the highest power, then degree is equal to 3. And if anyone says that he gave this only y, only a variable, then if he says that you have to find the, and it would be minus, you have to find the coefficient of minus y. How would you find? It can be written as 4x cube plus 3y square plus 9x plus 4 plus minus 1 into y. Minus 1 into y will give minus y. So yet coefficient is equal to minus 1 in this. Now if we have to give the coefficient of x, that would be 9. If I have to give y squared, 3x cube is equal to 4. This was the introduction to chapter polynomial. In next video we will take some more questions and we will find the solutions of them.